welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm Molly and I love sharing all things classic style, timeless interiors, DIYs, and just New England living here on my channel. Today I want to share a super simple pinecone wreath DIY. I actually made this last year and realized that I had a bunch of clips from that DIY that I had never shared, but I thought I would share that with you today. Personally, I'm a big fan of it just because it's so natural and it has a nice wintry feel to it. It's very simple to make and just requires a wreath form, some pine cones, white paint, and of course brush, and a hot glue gun. Another item that you might want to have is just some sort of sealant to put on the final product. I didn't do that, but it seems to be holding up just fine anyway. But yeah, let's get into it. So that is it for this DIY. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd so appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!